Acts
Acts
chapter 10,
chapter 10,
16 to
16 to
chapter 10,
chapter 10,
25.
25.
This happened
This happened
3 times,
3 times,
and the thing was
and the thing was
taken up at once to heaven.
taken up towards heaven.
Now, while
Now
Peter was
Peter was
inwardly perplexed
perplexed
as to
as to
what the vision
what the vision
that he had seen
that he had seen
might mean.
might mean.
Behold,
Behold,
the men
the men
who were sent
who were sent
by Cornelius,
were Cornelius,
having made
having made
inquiry
inquiry
for Simon's house,
for Simon's house,
stood at the gate
stood at the gate,
and called out
and called out
to ask
to ask
whether Simon,
either Simon,
who was called Peter, was
who was called Peter, was
lodging there.
lodging there.
And while Peter was
And while Peter was
pondering the vision,
pondering the vision,
the Spirit said to him,
the Spirit said to him,
Behold,
Behold,
3 men are
3 men are
looking for you.
looking for you.
Rise and go down
Rise and go down
and accompany them
and accompany them
without hesitation,
without
for
hesitation,
I have sent them.
for I have sent them.
And
And
Peter went down
Peter went down
to the men
to the men
and said,
and said,
I am the
I am the
one
one who
you are looking for.
Who are looking for.
What is the reason
What is the reason
for your coming?
for your coming?
And they said,
And they said,
Cornelius,
Cornelius,
a centurion,
a centurion,
an upright
an upright
and God-fearing man,
and God-fearing man,
who is well spoken
who is well spoken
of by
of by
the whole Jewish nation,
the whole Jewish nation,
was directed by a
was directed by
holy angel
holy angel.
to send for you
He sent for you
to come to his house
to come to his house
and to hear
and to hear
what you have to say.
what you have to say.
So he invited
So he invited
them
them
into
into
be his guests.
his guests.
The next day
The next day,
he rose and went
he rose and went
away
away
with them.
with them.
And some of the brothers
And some of the brothers
from Joppa
from Joppa
accompanied him.
accompanied him.
And on the following day
And on the following day,
they entered
they entered
Caesarea.
Caesarea.
Cornelius was
Cornelius was
expecting
expecting
them
them.
and had called together
He had called together
his relatives
his relatives
and close friends.
and close friends.
When Peter entered,
When Peter entered,
Cornelius met him
Cornelius met him
and fell down
and fell down
at his feet
at his feet
and worshipped him.
and worshipped.
Acts
Yes,
chapter 10,
chapter 10,
26 to
26 to
35.
35.
And Peter lifted him up,
And Peter lifted him up,
saying,
saying,
Stand up,
Stand up,
I too I am a man.
I too I am a man.
And as he talked with him,
And as he talked with him,
he went in
he went in
and found many persons gathered.
and found many persons gathered.
And he said to them,
He said to them,
You yourselves
You yourself
know
know
how unlawful
how unlawful
it is for a Jew
it is for a Jew
to associated with
to associate with
or to visit anyone
or to visit anyone
of another nation.
of another nation.
But God has shown me
But God has shown me
that I should not call
that I should not call
any person common
any person common
or unclean.
or unclean.
So when I was sent for,
So when I was sent for,
I came without objection.
I came without objection.
I asked then,
I asked them
why you sent for me?
why you sent for me.
And Cornelius said,
And Cornelius said,
4 days ago,
4 days ago,
about this hour,
about this hour,
I was praying in my house
I was praying in my house
at the 9th hour,
the 9th hour,
and behold,
when behold,
a man stood before me
a man stood before me
in bright clothing
in bright clothing
and said,
and said,
Cornelius,
Cornelius,
your prayer has been heard,
your prayer has been heard,
and your alms have been
and your alms have been
remembered
remembered
before God.
before God.
Send therefore
Send therefore
to Joppa
to Joppa
and ask for
and ask for
Simon,
Simon,
who is called Peter.
who is called Peter.
He is lodging in the house of
He
Simon,
is lodging in the house of Simon,
a tanner
a tanner
by the sea.
and the sea.
So I sent for you
So I sent for you
at once,
at once,
and you have been
and you have been
kind enough to come.
kind enough to come.
Now therefore,
Now therefore,
we are all
we are all
here
here
in the presence of God
in the presence of God
to hear all
to hear all
that you have been
that you have been
commanded by the Lord.
commanded by the Lord.
So Peter opened his mouth
So Peter opened his mouth
and said,
and said,
Truly I understand
Truly I understand
that God shows
that God shows
no partiality,
no partiality,
but in every nation,
but in every nation,
anyone
anyone
who fears him
who fears him
and does
and does
what is right
what is right
is acceptable to him.
is acceptable to him. Amma.